Today, guys, I'm going to be teaching y'all how to do a step-by-step flash kick, backflip. It's from this Marvel series Spider-Man video game. It's like you do a backflip and you kick them in the face. Yeah. I'm going to show y'all step-by-step. So what you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to come up and do this. Do this. Okay? Do this. Boom. Boom. And then next step is you're going to want to go into your back when you do it. You're going to want to go like this. Pick yourself up. You're going to go like this. Next step, you're going to want to get more momentum, and you're going to go like this. Last and final step, this is what the flash kick will look like.
Final product.